The Z Fold 7 just got teased by Samsung, as it's around a month and a half away. So it does not shock me that now they're putting out some stuff to get people hyped and ready for it. And to be honest, yeah, this thing looks super thin. Now, we already know it's the thinnest foldable phone on the planet. That will be beat probably by Google sometime later this year, then by OnePlus sometime next year. It's just kind of how it works, you know. You're pretty much the best of the best for only so long before another company goes ahead and takes over. But still, hey, this is so thin, but also that outside display is still so narrow. Ah, man, I have been the biggest hater of the Z Fold 7. And again, it's nothing wrong with the Z Fold 7 per se. It's just the fact the Z Fold 7 is not going to live up to the Z Fold 8, which is going to be coming out in 2026 and going to be the real upgrade that you probably want to pick up. But again, like I said before, you know, it is what it is. There's going to be people who buy this phone, and rightfully so. It's still going to be a great phone. So if you want to buy the thinnest cell phone humanly possible, well, foldable cell phone humanly possible, this is your best friend. I wonder what more they're going to put out, though. Like, what more information they're going to put out. Because I feel like they're going to do, now that they're doing teaser trailers, being, you know, again, June 4th right now, about a month and a month and some change away from the Z Fold 7, I feel like they're going to probably start putting out more stuff than just this. Because this is such a small little tidbit of information. Like, we already know what it's going to look like. It's going to be the Z Fold 6 Special Edition. Really just that posted again. Like, that's all we're going to see with the Z Fold 7. So, I don't know. I just want to see more information. I just want to see more things about it at this point. It's like, there's a point in me where it's like, we already know what it is, but I want to be wrong. I want, you know, Samsung to prove me wrong and that they didn't just copy and paste. But that's why I think I'm such a hater of it. But at the same time, I'm so interested to see what it looks like with the final edition, because I just want to be wrong that it's not just a copy and paste. Still beautiful. Yeah, I still love Z Fold series, so I'm still gonna be a fan of it in some capacity. But tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. See you guys next one. Peace out.